The Allgäu and Lower Bavaria regions were particularly affected by severe weather, which led to tree downfall and flooding. Parts of Baden-Württemberg also suffered. The German Weather Service, DWD, has issued a thunderstorm warning for several areas of Trinity, known in Germany as Pfingstsonntag, including Passau, Rottal Inn, Dingolfing Landau, Neumarkt and der Oberpfalz, Eichstätt and Kelheim. Surprisingly for June, hail fell in some places, making it look like it was snowing. In several places the roads were covered with a thick layer of white hail, which had to be cleared away. Police said there were fallen trees, but thankfully there were no reports of injuries or major damage. Meanwhile, in the Enzkreis area of Baden-Württemberg, flooding and fallen trees caused serious problems. The weather situation was caused by warm and humid air that was forced into southern Germany by a low-pressure system over southwestern Europe. On Monday, which is a national holiday in Germany, much calmer weather was predicted, although strong gusts were expected along the North Sea coast, as well as possible hail in the North Frisian and East Frisian Islands. The channel provides news about nature, climate and weather around the world, hurricanes, rain and phenomena such as thunder, lightning, hurricanes, winds, thunderstorms, storms, winds, heavy rains, clouds and lightning, and clouds, hail, winter, rain, downpour, rarefied air, weather, severe weather, sea, river, ocean, sea, tsunami, debris, sinking, drowning, heavy, sleet, hail, high water. Attention, all videos are taken from open sources. The selection is based on publication date, title, description, and venue. Sometimes, due to unscrupulous posting of news on social networks, the video may contain frames that do not correspond to the date and place. It is not always possible to check all videos. We apologize for any errors. Subscribe to the channel, and we wish you good weather.
Mai visto una roba del genere?